My name is Shannon Marsh, and I am the American Cancer Society Patient Navigator here at Swedish Cancer Institute. I have been asked to provide you with a guide to breast cancer resources in the community. A breast cancer diagnosis can affect our lives far beyond what is physical. More and more resources have become available over time to support, sustain, and reduce the distress patients, their friends, and families endure. As an American Cancer Society Patient Navigator, I connect people affected by cancer with the resources both within and outside of the Swedish Cancer Institute. In this podcast, I will discuss a number of resources that you may want to tap into at some point before, during, or after your treatment. Following a cancer diagnosis, the amount of information and intense decision-making is often overwhelming. It is important to learn about these options, but it is okay to pace yourself and take advantage of them when the time is right. I will provide my contact information at the end of the podcast, so you can contact me at any time during your cancer journey. One of the first and biggest concerns for breast cancer patients and their families is the financial drain a diagnosis can bring. For those patients who are experiencing financial hardship and meet specific criteria, there is some assistance available through Swedish and other partnering nonprofit organizations. Our Oncology Social Work Department can assist you with applications and give you additional recommendations. They can be reached at 206-540-0477. Patients who are traveling long distances for treatment may also qualify for the American Cancer Society Lodging Program. This program is contingent upon availability and offers free or discounted hotel rooms for a limited number of nights to cancer patients and caregivers in need of short-term lodging. You can access this program and other transportation assistance programs through the Patient Navigator. Another critical part of the cancer journey is emotional support. Some breast cancer patients and caregivers find they have enough support through their established community of family and friends. However, there are many people who find talking with other women who have had a similar experience with breast cancer very valuable. The Reach to Recovery program matches patients that are presently in treatment with survivors who have had similar surgeries and treatment plans. This program is accessible through the Patient Navigator. The Social Work Department at Swedish offers individual and family counseling, as well as several support groups specific to breast cancer. The Breast Cancer Support Group meets twice a month and is for patients in active treatment, and the After Breast Cancer Support Group is for patients who have completed treatment. Cancer Lifeline and Gilda's Club are also excellent community resources that provide emotional and financial support and a wide array of classes for cancer patients. There are many wonderful resources available to assist with the appearance-related side effects of cancer treatment as well. The American Cancer Society offers complimentary wigs as well as a beauty program that teaches techniques and skincare to women in active treatment. Patients receive a bag of beauty products at the end of each class. Please contact the Patient Navigator for an appointment. Mastectomy bras and prosthesis are also available at Swedish and in the Seattle community. If you are unable to find prosthesis at Swedish, you may contact Nordstrom's prosthesis department to set up an appointment for a bra fitting and prosthesis at 1-800-804-1502. The Hereditary Cancer Clinic is available to Swedish patients. At the clinic, patients and family members meet with a board-certified genetic counselor who will review medical and family histories to determine whether genetic testing is appropriate, as well as risks, advantages, and costs of genetic testing for hereditary cancer. Finally, the Cancer Education Center on A Floor West in the Arnold Pavilion houses a comprehensive library and is staffed by a health education specialist who can assist you in getting your questions answered. Thank you for listening to this podcast, and please don't hesitate to contact me, the Patient Navigator, if you have any questions about the resources available along this journey. My phone number is 206-215-6557, and my email is shannon.marsh@swedish.org. My office is located in the Cancer Education Center. Thank you.